Hey, and welcome to AlphaOne. Yes, the day is here. I've been talking a very long time about this robot, AlphaOne AI bot. And yes, it's a part of BinBot Pro, but still you have more advantages. Plus you can run my robot that I have worked on that is just amazing. So you don't need to think that much like you needed to do before. This robot is different. So, as you see, you need only $100 now to join. So, with my link, no other link, if you try to go into BinBot Pro by yourself, whatever, you will not find this robot. This robot you only can get through my link, and also only with my link you can get to join with $100 like you see here now. So you can unlock the robot, deposit $100, and you can start today. And as always, you find coupon code below, or promo code, call it whatever you want, below the video, so you get 200% on your first deposit. So what are you waiting for? If you have an account with BinBot Pro before, make a new one so you can start using my robot. Only deposit $100 and get started today. So this is amazing news. I show this screen now before I add money, so you can see that you only need to deposit $100 and you see basically my robot. And you see the number one robot there now is my robot. And this robot will only show for you using my link. So after now I will run this robot live so you can also see it make some money. So I will make some deposit and we will get started with that also. So you can also push the link you see up there right now to get this robot. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. So with that, have a perfect day.